welcome to the show.
Hey, Tim.
Hey, Aaron, how are you?
Doing great, man. How are you?
So Aaron had a little personal experience with the product, so we thought we'd bring him in here, as our resident expert, because we can show you graphs, we can tell you, you draw you pictures and all that, but until you actually hear it from someone that's experienced the change and what it does, you just really don't know. And in fact, Aaron, I'm going to go ahead and pull up the pictures, if Ernie will pull the laptop back up, and tell us what vehicle you have. What are we starting with
This
here?
is a 2019 Ram Classic. And this is my actual first experience with having a system in a vehicle and applying the product to the vehicle and hearing just a huge difference. I used to work in the install bay back in the day, 20 years ago or so, and we've done plenty of vehicles where we've taken the whole car apart, taken a factory system out, put in the HushMat, redid a huge system, and then listen to it. We know it's doing the trick because your panels don't resonate near as much. And you could do little knock tests when you apply the product. And, if you knock on the door panel before you put it on and then you knock on it after, it's a huge difference.
Takes all that ring right out of it.
Yeah, but my experience is, this is my first time being familiar with a system and then applying the product and hearing it afterwards, and I'm just completely blown away. I may be beating a dead horse a little bit, but it eliminates most of the resonance in the door. Instead of your mid-bass response just resonating out of the door and into all of those vibrating panels, you're getting all of what the speaker can do, So I had to actually cut my mid-bass 8 dB to get it to blend back well with the system after installing this product.
That's huge. 8
and that
dB.
is significant. I mean, super huge. When I first fired it up after installing the product, the mid-bass was just insane because I'm not losing near as much as I was without the product applied. So I just wanted to share my experience, let everybody know that it's an awesome product. It drastically improves sound quality, the noise in your vehicle, and it's super easy to install. Super easy. And it's very malleable. It molds around everything. You take the backing off, you stick it on, and you're good to go.